Hey YouTube, this is NASCAR Fan 47 here, and I'm going to do a review on my 2008 Dale Earnhardt Jr. National Guard Citizen Soldier. Okay, here it is. Okay, the main colors of this car are black, silver, and a little outline of red. The part I like about this car is that it's mostly silver and black, my two favorite colors. And some of the sponsors are National Guard, AMP, Mountain Dew, Three Doors Down, stuff like that, you know. And I'm just gonna do a little 360 view of the car. Pretty awesome car here. Yeah. I really like this car. I really like this car. Yeah, pretty cool. Well, this is gonna be a little short review because I don't really have that much time. Well, please rate 5, comment, and bye.